Wow, look at those chicken wings. Let's see how we can make them. Welcome to Caldero Recipes. Today, we're gonna learn how to make 5-spice chicken wings. Without any further ado, let's get started. You'll need 500 grams of chicken wing, 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Wash chicken wings and dry using kitchen towel. Marinate the 5-spice, black pepper, and salt. It's always good to marinate using your hand. Mix them well. Cover with plastic wrap and keep in the fridge overnight or at least 2 hours. Arrange in a grilling rack and put it in the preheated oven using bake function for 30 minutes. Now you can see that the color is not too red because it's not a chili marinade. 5-spice powder doesn't give color, but I'll assure you it tastes very good at its simplicity. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hope you will try this dish out and let us know in the comment section below what do you think about it. Thanks a lot for watching this video and see you in the next one.